Good evening, everyone. As you all know, we were facing a little problem in getting the work checked by different teachers. For example, in social science and science, we are having different teachers teaching this different subjects. Like in science, we have three different teachers teaching physics, chemistry, and bio respectively, and they were supposed to check the same paper. So we've thought of a simple way wherein we can check the paper and the problem gets solved. We'll be making one folder in the drive and sharing the link with the three teachers. Once the link is shared, all the three teachers can access the same file and check the work simultaneously. So let me show you how we are supposed to do. I have Neeraj ma'am and Rachna ma'am to help me out in showing the procedure to you. So thank you Neeraj ma'am and Rachna ma'am for being here. Let's say if I am the invigilator, I have collected the mail. So I go to my folder wherein I have collected the mails. So this is where I have the mails. I see that these are the three submissions that have been made. So I just simply download them. This is the first one downloaded. I again go back. So second one, I open it. I download this one also. And I go to my email. I download the third one. So I'll just show you that how can we create a folder. So this is the third one. Don't go by the work. This is just to show that yes, how we are going to manage the things. So these are three things that have been downloaded. I go to the downloads and I see these are the three things downloaded. So I'll just create a folder in my drive and upload all these three. I see that they are already in my downloads. So I go to my drive now and I create one folder. See, this is the plus button here. So you can see this plus button. With this plus button, I'm going to create a folder. This is a new folder that has been created and I mark it as, let's say, 9th A science correction. Okay, now this is done. Now in this file, this has been created on my drive. Once it is done, I add now in this file, this folder, I go to this folder, science corrections, and I start uploading the work. So I just go to again plus button and I go to file upload. And in the downloads, I had these three. So I am going to upload them one by one, or I can simply select all of them three together and I open them. You'll see here uploading three items. If there are 20 or 30 students who have done the work, so you download everything first. After downloading, you have to put them in this folder wherever you have created for your science work. So it has to be uploaded. So you see here that the three files that had been uploaded in my drive folder, they are ready. Now I'll do what? I'll start checking one of them. Supposing I check this one. I open this and I know the method how to check. I've told in the previous videos also. I'll simply open with Adobe Acrobat for Google Drive. This is the extension that can be added to your Chrome extension that can be added to your drive. Click on this and it will open. So you see it's 100% done. Now I'll just annotate using this pen. Supposing I'm the first one to do it, I check it and I'm using the purple color. So I write this. This was one question that I had to check. I give 2 marks out of 2 in this and I go on and I check another question. I have this question, let's say of my subject. So again, once again, I click on this and I check it like this. This again is of 2 marks supposing. So I again give 2 marks over here. So this is my work done. So exactly same way, I'll check all the three files which are there. Once that is done, I'll save it. The save button has to be done. Otherwise, your annotations are not going to be saved. So you save it. So this is done. Now, once this is done, I have to share this folder with my co-partner. So I'll since Rachna ma'am and Neeraj ma'am are checking the work with me, so I'll go to my drive and I'll share this folder now with both of them. So this was the folder that I had made 9. So I'll just check this. I'll just share it with them. Go to the folder and I right click. On right clicking, I get an option to share. I go on to the sharing option. I click it and it will ask me with whom I want to share. So I'll share with Neeraj ma'am. Neeraj ma'am, I don't think so. I have your email ID. Please tell me.
I'm Neeraj Punia, PUNIA.
1974 at Gmail.
Hanji.
This is the one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I click on this and it is shared. Rachna ma'am, what is your ID?
Hanji, RACHNA 7686.
Huh?
7686 at gmail.com.
So now the folder has been shared. I'll ask Neeraj ma'am to share her screen with you so that you can see how is it that she has received it. So Neeraj ma'am has received this from me, Geetika Datta. She goes to this and she clicks it. This is my work that was sent to her. Now she's going to check the work. So she's chosen the green color already. In case she had not chosen the green color, she would have selected on whatever tick she had first put and she would have changed the color then.
I will try to show how we can change the color. So after selecting all this, then we can change the color. Suppose I want to change into red, it will be changed into red color. So similarly, I have also checked and Geetika ma'am have also checked. So both of us have given the marks on the same file without any problem. Now I will ask Rachna ma'am to share her screen and she will also do it in the same manner.
Okay, ma'am. Neeraj ma'am, just save the file.
The saving option is very important because if she will not save, then the annotations are not going to be saved. Done.
Okay, so now I'll show you how the third person will be checking the file. So I have this mail received in my mailbox. It is the same sharing file which Geetika ma'am had shared. Once I open this, so once I've opened this, I am opening the same file, acid, bases and salts. And I can clearly see that 2 checkers have already checked my file. So I'll open this again with Adobe Acrobat. And I'll scroll down to find my question. So for example, I have my question after all the checking, question number 11. I'll go to this pen, which is a drawing tool, check my question. See, I can see the color selected here is green. So I'll first select this, change the color to red because red has not been used till now, and then again go back to the drawing tool and give marks. Okay, so I am changing this color to green. So once I have changed it, then I can use the same color and give marks further. So like this, I can check my portion and give marks. After doing that, I'll save the file so that corrections are saved there.
Done. So it has been saved, I think, Rachna ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now the file is saved. So I'll show you the final file once. I'm again opening it from my mail. If I open the file in Google Drive, this last file is the one which we three have edited. So if I scroll down and see, you can see checking with purple pen, red pen, as well as the green pen. So all three colors are visible and saved here.
Great, Neeraj ma'am and Rachna ma'am. So thank you so much, both of you. And I hope now the science and the social science teachers will be at ease. I hope you will find this useful. Thank you so much.